Hi YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Lenovo 17-inch laptop Urban Backpack B730. This is something I found on Lenovo's website because I needed a new laptop case for the new Lenovo laptop that I did a review on that I purchased. I like the color, of course. It's gray. It's more of a darker gray instead of a lighter gray, but you know, gray, silver, those are kind of my favorite colors right now. But the material that this is made in is actually pretty well done. It feels sturdy, it feels tough. This is water resistant, dust repellent. It's also got plenty of storage space. Even though it doesn't look it, it's got plenty of storage space, including storage space in the back. These shoulder straps here are very soft. There's a lot of foam that you can feel in here. When I strap it to my back, I don't feel the weight of the straps. They're soft against my shoulders, and there's even a lock here that you can lock around your chest to secure it, to make sure no one snatches it off your body. There's actually area right here where you can attach this to the pull handle of your suitcase or your luggage case, and that'll keep it from falling off. But there's also a strap here that you can actually store stuff in, and I didn't even realize that until I took a look at it. There's a pouch right there, and I thought that was a pretty nice touch. So that's like a hidden, to me, I would call that a hidden compartment. There's a lot of padding right here. The backpack will come into contact with your back on the front, or the back if you want to call this the back. There's like 3 storage compartments here. There's actually 4. One is here that you can see, and this laptop has plenty of areas where you can store your peripherals for your devices, whether it's a laptop or a tablet. There's a nice deep chasm in here. These are storage pockets for your stylus, pens, or anything else, notepads that you wish to store in there. This is one of the major openings. It's very deep. There's a couple of storage pouches right here that you can see. There's a large pocket right here that you can store stuff in. I want to try to put the laptop in an area where it's closest to my back area, because you have people that will actually open these up while it's on your back and steal whatever products you have in them. This is the actual area where I have put my laptop, and it goes very deep. So watch how deep my arm goes in. Yeah, it goes that deep. This is a laptop, and I'm going to slip it in, no issues, and I still have room to spare. This would probably take up to almost a 20-inch laptop if they made them. There's a lot of padding in here. There's a lot of softness, so your product does not get damaged in any way. And there's another surprise where you don't even see it. There's actually a secret compartment in this particular case. The secret compartment is right here. There's a zipper. Zip that zipper, and there's a little compartment here where you can put stuff. As a matter of fact, there's something right there. Salt, bath salt. Don't eat that, people, whatever you do. I thought that was a pretty nice touch because you don't see it. You can't even see the zipper here because it's actually hidden on this corner right here. And unless you actually have the strap out, will you see it? I'm actually satisfied with this bag. Also, there are a couple of side pockets over here as well. There's a strap right here where you can put something, probably a water bottle, if you will, or there's another zip pocket lining over here where you can put something. You could probably put like a little notepad, or I don't know if I'd put anything sensitive there because of the location of where it is. I've only had this for a couple of days now. I actually took it out yesterday when I had to go do a job. The weight of the laptop in this bag was not overwhelming. I was very surprised. I was very shocked that I didn't feel like this great weight was on my shoulders. It's not that expensive. I think on Lenovo's website it was like $35. So it's not that bad considering that this is what I would call a premium laptop bag. This is on Lenovo's website, and I'll try to pull it up, try to leave the link in the description where if you decide this is something you want to check out or be interested in purchasing, you can go there, make the decision for yourself, and you can take a closer look at it with pictures. I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.